Guys, I spend a lot of time sitting at my desk editing videos, answering emails, making calls, and honestly, just sitting around all day. And you know what? That's not great for you. So I wanted to see if there's a realistic way to move more at home without a massive treadmill or a bike or something like that taking up the whole room. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, this is the WalkingPad A1 Pro. It's a fold-up under-desk treadmill designed purely for walking, not running, just walking. And the idea is simple. Move more without changing your whole setup. I mean, if you work from home, live in a flat, or just don't want gym gear permanently on display, then this might be exactly what you're looking for. Now, just to be clear guys, before we get into it, this was sent to me by WalkingPad for me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And as always, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. Now guys, when this arrived, the first thing that surprised me was the size of the box. I mean, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Why? Because this thing is fold up. I mean, unboxing it takes seconds, right? You get it out of the box, you fold it out because it's folded, you plug it in, and that is it. There's no tools, no assembly. You don't need any instructions to get this thing going, right? Well, actually, that's not strictly true. There is an Allen key for tightening the bed should you need to. You know, sometimes it does get a bit slack, so you might need to tighten it up. There's also some lubricating oil, the power lead, and of course the remote control and battery. Now guys, out of the box, it looks clean, minimal, and it feels solid. The A1 Pro folds down to just under 5 inches thick, which means sliding it under a sofa or bed, you can do that without any drama. And speed-wise, guys, well, it starts at like 0.5 miles an hour, which is dead slow, and it tops out at around 3 miles an hour. So you know what? Like I said, this is for walking, not running. Now, it's designed to sit under a standing desk, right? So you can walk while you work. And I've got to say, if you're a bit older and you find it hard to get out and about, this is going to be right up your street. It doesn't feel dangerous. You can start off at a very, very low speed. It doesn't feel unstable. In fact, quite the contrary. Also, guys, the motor is impressively quiet. I can comfortably use this while editing or answering emails and even on calls without it becoming annoying or distracting. Now, it supports up to 136 kilos, and you know what? If you're close to the weight limit, don't worry, because you keep using this daily and in no time you're going to be getting lighter. Win-win, right? And the other nice touch is that you control everything with that little simple remote control. So speed up, slow down, job done. There's also a display that shows things like speed, distance and steps, which is big, clear and bright. So you know what? No glasses required. But guys, the biggest difference for me has been how easy it is to rack up steps without even thinking about it. I can hit 8,000 to 10,000 steps before lunch without even having to leave the house. And I definitely feel more awake and focused because of it. But guys, let me be very clear. This isn't for everyone. If you do want to run or do intense workouts, then this isn't the machine for you. But if your goal is to simply move more during the day, especially while working, it does exactly what it says on the tin. Pair this bad boy up with a sit-stand desk and you've got the perfect solution to stay active while staying productive. So guys, there you have it. The WalkingPad A1 Pro. It isn't trying to replace a full-size treadmill or anything like that. It's trying to make daily movement easier, quieter and more realistic in confined spaces. I mean, you don't have to use it in a confined space, but you know what? It does lend itself to that very, very well. It's easy to set up. It's not complicated to use. and it works right out of the box. Guys, at the time of this video going live, this bad boy is going to cost you around £449. There are, however, some deals, and I will leave the product links and any discounts in the description below. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please drop them in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to WalkingPad for sending me this A1 Pro to take a look at. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.